Mocks. Why do you need mock tests? At the end of the day, you need to understand how you perform under pressure. That is so extremely important. Second point is, you might be taking separately an English sectional. You might be taking separately a math sectional or an LR sectional. But on D-Day, you must understand that all the three sections are going to merge in 120 minutes. How do you react to this pressure? How are you able to compartmentalize? That is so very important. So you need to take mocks. Under pressure, how much are you able to score? Second point is, for every mock that you take, you need to have an analysis of the mock. Do it with your mentor. Understand what took place when you were taking them. What was your state of mind when you took that mock? And my last point is, keep a mock-CAT diary so that when you're taking the mock, register your reactions and what took place while you were taking. Did you take too long a time to read the RC? Did you start moving around? Did you stick on to a question? When you take the mocks, you'll be able to understand when to leave a question. CAT is not about answering all the questions. Do remember that it's about selecting, electing, and succeeding. Thank you so much.